welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also make sure that you hit the bell notification on as well, as I post once every week, be it be my short form videos or long. You have read from the title. Today I'm going to show the basic makeup kit that every girl should own, be it be you are a beginner or if you are someone who's looking to have a good makeup collection, like शादी वगैरह के लिए हो या फिर कोई event के लिए हो. So in this video I'm going to show my favorite products that are under rupees just 500. You all, like, most of the products that I have with me today are under rupees 500. If you are interested to know what I have selected for you all for this kit, then please continue watching. So step by step जाएंगे. तो first, the foremost thing that you have to do is obviously moisturize your skin really well. Like, skin prep is really important, guys. Like, I cannot put more emphasis in this particular point. Moisturize, then अगर आप daytime में makeup कर रहे हो, then please use a sunscreen. And then moving on to your primer. For primer, I'm going to show you my personal favorite primer, which I've already talked a lot about it. This is from the brand Maybelline, again the OG makeup brand. This is a Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Base Primer. If you have normal to dry skin, then you can definitely go for this particular primer. I have combination skin. I still go for this because my skin is more towards dry. अगर आपका skin काफी ज़्यादा oily है, then आप इसका oily वाला version भी use कर सकते हो. This is a dewy plus smoothing primer. So ये आपको dewy base देता है, plus ये आपका जो pores है उसको भी थोड़ा बहुत smoothen कर देता है. I recommend you guys to get this one. Second primer that I have with me is something for pore filling. So if you are someone who's really concerned about your pores, or if you are someone who have like a textured skin, usko smooth out करने के लिए there is a specific primer with me. So this is by the brand Prash. So this is a gel primer, yet it is pore filling. It does blur out my pores quite well, you guys. Like, इवन अगर आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में मेरे लाइव देखे होंगे, आई हैव यूज दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स एंड यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन कि मेरा स्किन कितना स्मूथ एंड मेरे पोर्स को पूरा वैनिश ही कर देता है. सो ऑफ कोर्स इट एक्ट एज अ ग्रेट कैनवस. यू ऑल डेफिनेटली चेक दिस वन आउट. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, मुझे काफ़ी बार ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि आप क्या लगाते हो जो आपका स्किन इतना ग्लो करता है, लाइक एवरी डे कैसे हो जाता है. सो द सेकेंड स्टेप इज योर इल्यूमिनेटर, और you can say like a strobe cream. So I have two products with me. So first I have ये Lakme का strobe cream है. Me cream moisturizer with highlighter. So of course you can use it as your illuminator or you can use it as a highlighter as well. I personally love to use this as it is, like as a base makeup. Like after my primer I use this. एक full coverage foundation use करोगे इसके साथ, तो definitely you cannot see the exact illuminating effect on your skin. I personally love to use this under a skin tint or under a sheer to medium coverage wala foundation. It feels like you are glowing within, you know. You can use it alone as well. The product that I have with me, which I feel is a very good dupe for your MAC ka strobe cream, which again is quite costly, but I think that this strobe cream just wins my heart. So this is from the brand Mars. Glow it gives is like quite on the face, but जब आप foundation इसके ऊपर लगाओगे तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. Like, you cannot use this alone. However, if you are going to mix it with your foundation, it's gonna give you that supreme goddess glow, you guys. Trust me, I absolutely love this, and this is my second tube, you all. I don't think that I would replace this with anything else right now. Now coming to our foundation, skin tint, BB cream, etc etc. I know market में काफ़ी सारे products आ गए हैं. Here are my top 3 products, I would say, which I would definitely recommend you guys to please go ahead and try this. The first product that I have with me is a BB cream. Now again, this is from the brand Mars. ये BB क्रीम है, बट ये आपको मीडियम कवरेज तक कवरेज दे सकता है. सो दैट इज द ओनली रीजन व्हाई आई लाइक दिस. रियली गुड फॉर एवरीडे यूज. जब मैं कॉलेज जाती थी तो मैं यही मार्स का BB क्रीम हमेशा कॉलेज को लगा के जाती थी, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस लास्ट सो लॉन्ग इन द ह्यूमिड, ऑल स्वेटी एंड ऑल. ये उस वेदर में भी काफ़ी अच्छे से काम कर दिया. सो इफ यू आर समवन हु इज लुकिंग फॉर अ BB क्रीम फॉर ऑफिस वेयर और कॉलेज वेयर, देन प्लीज grab this right now. The next product that I have with me is again a tinted foundation. So this is from the brand Lamel. It is going to give you medium to full coverage. Just for my skin, I would say it was giving me medium coverage. Like मेरे काफी सारे dark spots है जो completely उसको coverage तो नहीं दिया, but at least it works for a daily basis. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Grab this if you are looking for a good tinted foundation. The next foundation that I have with me is something, it is quite an underrated product, you guys. Like, I don't know why, again, no one is talking about it. This is the foundation from Cuffs and Lashes. So this is their liquid foundation and I have in the shade Light Honey. Is a matte foundation. So if you are of oily skin, then you can definitely go ahead and get this beauty right away. Reviewed it, तो मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी इसका रिव्यू. ये जब मेरे काफी ज्यादा एक्ने थे, मैंने तभी भी यूज किया था एंड इट डिड नॉट एग्जैगरेट माय एक्ने एट ऑल. ऑक्सीडाइज होता है गाइस, ये आई थिंक 1 to 2 शेड ऑक्सीडाइज होता है. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू ग्रैब लाइक अ लाइटर शेड ऑफ फाउंडेशन. लुकिंग फॉर लाइक पार्टी के लिए हो, कोई इवेंट्स के लिए हो, कोई शादी वगैरह के लिए हो, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड फाउंडेशन, full coverage foundation, then you can definitely go for this. And trust me guys, don't go by the packaging. I know packaging थोड़ा आपको cheap लगता होगा, but अंदर जो product है, you need that guys, trust me. Now coming to the next step, that is concealer. First of all, I'm going to recommend you guys concealer from Relove Revolution. This is their super concealer. This is the hydrating concealer. So dry under eyes, then you can definitely go for this concealer. So the coverage is decent. I would say it is going to give you sheer to medium coverage. At least for me, I believe that it gives me medium coverage. So for everyday use wala concealer, I would prefer this one. And also it is really inexpensive. The next product that I have with me again is so underrated, from the brand Makeup Revolution. This is their IRL filter concealer. This is a matte concealer, so if you are of oily skin, you can definitely go for this. Again, this is going to give you medium to full coverage, I would say. This does not crease at all, you guys. Summer season में ही इसको मैं पहनी थी and trust me guys, like it was almost 7 hours, still मेरा अंडर आईज क्रीज नहीं हुआ. एंड आई डू हैव लॉट ऑफ फाइन लाइंस अंडर माई आईज, यू गाइज. दिस कंसीलर इज नॉट फुली मैट, यू नो, इट इज गोना गिव यू डेमी मैट फिनिश. तो अगर आपका ड्राई स्किन हो, ऑयली स्किन हो, नॉर्मल स्किन हो, यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ फुल कवरेज कंसीलर, देन grab this right away. Coming to my favorite part of the makeup, that is blush. I almost have 50 blushes in my makeup vanity, you guys. So trust me, this was really difficult. Like going through it and I was like कि कौन सा ज़्यादा like you know affordable होगा, कौन सा easy to use होगा, जो मतलब मार्केट में easily available हो जाएगा and budget में हो, उसके हिसाब से मैंने ये दो प्रोडक्ट चॉइस किया है. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव विथ मी इज फ्रॉम ब्लू हेवन. दिस इज देयर लिप एंड चिक टिंट. रिव्यू आपको मेरे इंस्टाग्राम रील में मिल जाएगा. अगर मैंने इधर पोस्ट किया होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं शॉर्ट्स भी डाल दूंगी, आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो. बेसिकली दिस इज अ स्टिक ब्लश एज यू गाइस कैन सी. सो यूजिंग दिस इज रियली कन्वीनियंट एंड ईजी टू यूज. लाइट एंड हाथ से ही आप उसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. एंड इसके काफी सारे आपको शेड्स मिल जाएंगे, लाइक आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6. So if you are of my skin tone, like a brown skin girly like me, then you can definitely go for this shade. This is the shade Roasted Berry. I absolutely love this shade. It just looks so flattering on my skin tone. Next brush that I'm going to recommend is a powder blush. So of course I have to like keep the balance and show the products for all skin types. Even if you have dry skin, you can use a powder blush anyways. So yeah, I have this from the brand Miss Claire. And this is the shade number 11. This is how the shade looks like. इसके shades देखोगे and I'll leave the link description box so you can go ahead and check it out. They have 25 shades, literally. Also, I have it on my face, you guys. Just see how beautiful it looks and it is so pigmented, like wow, I absolutely love this. Now coming to compacts and loose powders. Now for everyday basis, I prefer loose powders these days because they are so lightweight and also they are so on the go. Like they don't feel heavy on my skin. First loose powder that I'm going to suggest you is a very affordable, very मतलब ultra affordable है ये. So this is from the brand Pond's. This is a pink powder, but again जब आप इसको face पे लगाओगे, it almost feels like you have nothing on your face. It suit all skin tone. Even if you have brown skin tone like me, this is gonna suit you. Yeah, this is that great. if you are looking for a good loose powder on a budget, then go grab this right away. Loose powder that I'm going to recommend is from the brand Swiss Beauty. Okay, to have a lot of glare. Anyways, this is how the product looks like. I have the shade medium Moen. This is how the powder looks like. So I don't remember इसका translucent version आता है कि नहीं, but इसके काफी सारे shades है. Like my skin tone, then you can definitely go for the shade medium Moen. Is definitely is a great dupe for your K Beauty loose powder, and again for your Smash Boss का एक loose powder आता है, उसका भी ये काफी अच्छा dupe है guys. If you are looking for a tinted loose powder which gonna give you some kind of coverage, then you can definitely go for this loose powder. So the price is really expensive. आपको ये 300-400 के बीच में easily मिल सकता है. Next product that I'm going to suggest you is actually a compact powder, but this does not feel heavy at all, and this is a on the go kind of powder, I would say. So this is from the brand Rimmel London. So this is their Stay Matte Compact Powder. This is a translucent powder, so obviously it is gonna suit all skin tone. I think I have seen few other creators comparing this with Charlotte Tilbury. I was so shook by it. Like, I think I made a video on it. It might be in my YouTube, but I have made it like long time ago. Like, if you have oily skin and you don't want to touch up your makeup again and again, then go ahead and grab this one out, you guys, क्योंकि ये आपका जो पोर से अगेन ब्लर कर देता है. आई रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू गेट दिस. कमिंग टू ब्रॉन्जर्स, आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. मैं ब्लाइंडली ये ब्रॉन्जर को ट्रस्ट करती हूँ, एंड ऑल्सो आई डोंट ओन अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रॉन्जर, सो इट वॉज क्वाइट ईजी फॉर मी टू चूज दिस वन. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन. दिस इज देयर सुपर ब्रॉन्जर अगेन. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 499, बट अगेन अगर आप सेल में इसको बाय करोगे इजीली आपको 300 to 400 रुपीज़ में मिल जाएगा. आई हैव द शेड ओएसिस. So this is the darkest bronzer. I also have the shade Gobi. The undertone looks so good for contour. Bronzer होगा तो आपको एक warm shade लेना है. अगर आप ऐसे वाले cool tone brown shade लोगे, उसको आप contour की तरह लगा सकते हो. So product is a highlighter, and मैं आंख बंद करके I just chose this highlighter because this was something I was using this when I was a beginner, and I think कि I'll still recommend this one. Maybelline again, and this is their Master Chrome highlighter. Look at the packaging, guys. Like, this is stunning. Let me just give you a swatch of it. It's not a chunky highlighter. Like, if you're looking for a natural highlighter, then you can definitely go for this. Now the next highlighter that I'm going to show you is on my face. Like, look at that glow, you guys. Can you see the wet finish? Like, this kind of highlighter is what I need in my life, guys. Is again from the brand La Mer. This is their highlighter, Hope highlighter, and this is in the shade Sunrise. This is how the product looks like. ये बेसिकली वेट, आप देख रहे हो मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ ना, इसमें दाग भी रह जा रहा है. सो बेसिकली इट इज़ अ वेट हाइलाइटर जो पाउडर हो जाता है. This is the swatch, as you guys can see. Again, this is a subtle highlighter, and just look at my face, you guys. I am so obsessed. ये actually मैंने recently purchase किया है, but again this is so affordable. I thought, you know, why not include this in the makeup kit as well. This is so cute. I mean, the packaging is so cute. Also quite travel friendly. Like, the one thing that I'm very scared of कि मैं highlighter मेरे हाथ से गिर जाएगा और पूरा टूट जाएगा, but this packaging is so compact. मैं हाथ में इसको ऐसे grab कर सकती हूँ, and this is not gonna fall. So that's the only reason why I feel safe with this highlighter. So now we are entering to the last step of the makeup, that is setting spray. First product that I have with me is from the brand Blue Heaven. This is their Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Mist. काफ़ी ज़्यादा dewy finish नहीं देता है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा matte finish नहीं देता है. It just gives you like a normalish finish, you know. It just, I mean, I don't know how to explain it, but it just makes your makeup look put together. It is definitely gonna make your makeup transfer proof, smudge proof, everything proof, and also it is gonna last for a really long time, especially during summertime. It is definitely gonna work. My makeup looked fresh for almost 5 hours, so I'm really grateful for this particular setting spray. Next setting spray is my most favorite setting spray, and this is the matte setting spray. This is from the brand Mars, and this is their Wonder Fixer. I don't have a lot left as well because I almost use this every single day, like for everyday use, for like any occasion, for any event. I just go ahead and grab this one right away क्योंकि मैं कोई भी सेटिंग स्प्रे को ज़्यादा मैट सेटिंग स्प्रे को इतना भरोसा नहीं करती जितना मैं इसके ऊपर इतना करती हूँ. This is definitely almost similar due for your Charlotte Tilbury one because both of them functions the same way. Both are matte, are going to make your makeup look fresh for a very long time. Both are gonna make your skin look matte, gonna make it transfer proof and smudge proof as well. Please go ahead and grab this right away. The product that I actually totally forgot to mention in this video, this is a multifunctional makeup palette I would say. So I know if you are a beginner and आप ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च करना नहीं चाहते एक individually एक product में, then this product is definitely gonna be handy for you. So this is the Swiss Beauty Sculpting Contour Palette. This is how the product looks like. This is the powder, this is the highlighter, and you are getting 2 bronzing shades. Travel somewhere like मैं ऐसे weekend या vacation में पूरी जाती हूँ like पास में कहीं जाती हूँ, then I grab this right away because this is so easy to use. Like I don't have to buy a lot of product like एक highlighter, एक bronzer, then एक powder. I don't have to take a lot of product with me. This is it. Like the only con I would say is that this does not last for a very long time. If you are going for an event or for a party where you are going to stay for more than 5 to 6 hours, then I won't recommend you guys to go for this because the bronzers start fading out. Like highlighter I think easily आपको 6-7 घंटे तक आपको दिखाई देगा, but the bronzer starts fading out. This is what I have noticed. Definitely grab this one out. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Do like this video and share it with your friends who are looking to create their own makeup kit. I'm really grateful if you do that. Eye makeup are really subjective. I don't know कितने लोगों को eye makeup अच्छा लगेगा कितने को नहीं. So that's the only reason why I haven't included them in this video because honestly like अगर आप beginner हो तो liner is your go to. So I don't think that you would use like a eyeshadow palette or something like that. But if you want me to create like a separate video for this for eye makeup especially, then उसके लिए भी आपको कमेंट करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप कमेंट नहीं करोगे मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ये वीडियो, लाइक डू यू वांट मी टू मेक इट और नॉट. क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेरे को ये रिक्वेस्ट आते थे नॉट मेक अ मेकअप किट वाला सीरीज विद इन लाइक इन अ 30 सेकेंड और 40 सेकेंड रील, यू नो. सो दैट्स वाई आई डिसाइडेड टू डू लाइक अ whole series on my YouTube channel again. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.